We will now be cutting the cover material using the pattern. We've set the cover material on the table and attached it with some strips of tape so it's not sliding on the work surface. We attached the pattern to the cover with a couple of pieces of tape for the same reason. We raised the flap on the bottom 2 panel and we lowered the flap on the bottom 1 panel, and we are now ready to mark the cut lines. We are starting with the alignment notches, and once again we are only marking on the right side the alignment notch that is at the edge, the second one. It is very important that the notches are marked very clearly. They are critical for the end result because they will be used to align the cover and the liner sandwich. So I'm now marking all 8 notches required. 2 on the side 1, 2 on the side 2, 2 on the bottom 1, and 2 on the bottom 2. In the documentations there will be more detailed pictures that will show you exactly which one of the notches need to be marked, but generally speaking we're marking the ones that are on the bottom panels that are towards the edges. We are not marking the diamond shaped holes. Those are for the liner only. So now we're going around and mark the cut lines on the edge. So we marked the edges all around, we marked the notches. Now we will be lifting the pattern a little bit to make sure that all the marks are visible. I'm particularly interested in the notches, and they are. We're carefully lifting the pattern away so we don't smudge the chalk, and we will be cutting the notches first like we did with the liner. For the notches I will be using a cutter. I find it much easier to make these small precise cuts. So I made all the cuts. When I'm going to cut the edge, the extra material is going to fall off. And I'm going to use the scissors to cut on the inside of the marked line. And at this point, we make sure that the notches cuts are visible. And they are. And cover now, it's ready for assembly.